Introducing NASSIN's new Palasamudram campus, a journey through history, culture and innovation. Aligned with our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's vision for a Vishwa Guru, New India, the National Academy of Customs, Indirect Taxes and Narcotics proudly presents its new facility at Palasamudram, Andhra Pradesh. So where is this Palasamudram and how do we get there? Our journey starts at Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore. We'll be travelling along NH44, passing landmarks like Devanhalli Fort, Nandi Hills and Shri Bhoganandeshwara Gudi. We'll take some interesting detours to Muddenhalli and the Adi Yogi Monument in Chikkaballapura. Once we enter Andhra Pradesh, we'll explore spiritual places and historical sites. This exciting journey wraps up at our eagerly anticipated new facility. India's technology hub, Bangalore, often also called as India's Silicon Valley, serves as the closest touchpoint to the new NASSIN campus. We begin our adventure at the Kempegowda International Airport, ranked as Central Asia's top regional airport. Its world-class facilities ensure convenience at every step of the journey, from streamlined check-in, dining and duty-free shopping. The airport's new Terminal 2, inaugurated recently, blends traditional artistry with modern aesthetics, creating a grand ambience. And just as we exit the airport, the first sight is the grand statue of Bangalore's founder, Nada Prabhu Kempegowda. A smooth exit from the airport puts us en route to the campus on NH44, India's longest national highway, connecting from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, linking diverse cultures, histories and traditions. The first piece of history we encounter along NH44 is the Devanhalli Fort, known to have been built by Hyder Ali in the 18th century, but history takes us back to 1501 when chieftain Malla Baire Gowda originally built this beautiful structure. Another 20 minutes drive reveals the breathtaking scenic hill station, the Nandi Hills. The Nandi Hills derives its name owing to its resemblance to a resting bull. Next, we move to a temple with stunning architecture, detailed carvings and vibrant colors. Built by the Nolamba dynasty, this is Shri Bhoganandeshwara Gudi. In the vicinity is also a place of unique spiritual significance, providing medical education on one side and offering free medical care to everyone on the other. This is Shri Madhusudan Sai Institute of Medical Sciences and Research. A small detour along the road takes us to Muddenhalli, Shri M. Vishveshwaraya's birthplace and his shrine, the Vishveshwaraya Samadhi. They say there are pieces of heaven on earth and we shall find it here. As we hit the road to continue the journey, we are surrounded by lakes, landscapes, farms and sprightly flowers. The region is also famous for its delicious fruits, grapes, mangoes, jamun, grapefruit, jackfruit. As we bypass the town of Chikkaballapura, having spent 45 kilometers on the road, we reach the divine Adi Yogi Monument at the Isha Foundation, Chikkaballapura. In about an hour, we exit from the land of sandalwood to enter the rice bowl of India, Andhra Pradesh. Right across the border is another spiritual center, Puttaparthi, the birthplace of Indian spiritual leader Satya Sai Baba and his ashram. Our next stop is the place where Sri Ram whispered "Le Pakshi" in a dying Jatayu's ears. In this very place, brothers Virupanna and Veeranna Nayaka built the Veerabhadra temple in the year 1540, known for its hanging pillars and intricate carvings. The other major tourist attraction of the region is the Penukonda Fort, which is 20 kilometers down the road from our final destination. Virupanna's legacy continues at the beautiful Penukonda Fort, which was once the second capital of the Vijayanagar kingdom. The 536-acre Kia manufacturing plant that produces 3 lakh Kia automobiles annually is the reason why you might run into a Korean while you visit the campus. Finally, after a captivating 90-minute drive, we reach our magnificent 500-acre campus at Palasamudram. Nestled by the lake, surrounded by a flourishing ecosystem and diverse bird species, this campus is truly our wonderland. Welcome to our magnificent campus being built with our dreams and hopes. It is going to be the beginning of a wonderful journey as spectacular as the one you witnessed just now.